Hi boss.
Yes.
Many customers are hesitating about buying products from China or their local markets. Could you give them some suggestions?
Sure, buy from China directly. I will give you the reason as below. But first, press the like and follow on your screen right. I will help you to make money from China. First, China products price is cheap. China has developed transportation infrastructure. Its high-speed railway and train railways are the longest in the world. Meanwhile, China also has very mature supply systems, so the cost is much cheaper than USA or European countries. Second, China products quality is also very perfect. The Apple phone you used now is USA brand, but it is made in China. The Tesla car you drive is USA brand as well, but it is also made in China. The Nike clothes and shoes, the Adidas clothes and shoes, they are also made in China. We also can see that more than 90% of world famous products, they have their own factories or suppliers in China. So China quality is very nice. The third one, and also the most important one, is that you buy from China, you can make money from that products. For example, if you buy the fiber laser machines or CNC root machines from our company, I'm sure you will be the millionaire or billionaire very soon. Thank you.